Welcome to the structure analysis one. This is the strain energy lecture of example. We are going to solve another example of strain energy. Let us know the question. Determine the strain energy stored due to bending in the beam. For the simply supported beam loaded as shown in figure, take E is equal to 210 gigapascal and I is equal to 72 into 10 raised to 4 mm raised to 4. In figure, we have a simply supported beam, support A, support B. These are VA and VB are the reaction, 10 kilonewton load at point C away from 2 meter from A and 1 meter from 1. Now, as we know, we can get reaction values by solving it as a bending moment and shear force calculation, moment calculation. VB into 3 is equal to 10 into 2. That's why VB is equal to 6.67 kilo Newton. Now VA is equal to total load minus VB. That's why we can get VA is equal to 3.33 kilo Newton. Now E is equal to 2 210 gigapascal is equal to 210 into 10 raised to 2 Newton per mm square. Now to convert it into kilonewton per mm square meter square, we can put 10 raised to 3 for converting Newton into kilonewton and 10 raised to minus 6 for converting mm to meter. We can get 210 into 10 raised to 6 Newton kilonewton per meter square. Similarly, for 72 into 10 raised to 4 mm raised to 4, we can have 72 into 10 raised to minus 8 m raised to 4. Now we are going to convert all the units in a one parameter. Now what would we have find? Determine the strain energy stored due to bending in the beam. Okay, so go to the point. Strain energy for portion AC and CB or BC. Strain energy for AC. Mx is equal to 3.33 x kilonewton into meter, which are the values of VA. Now strain energy U is equal to limit 0 to L m square upon 2 EI into dx. M we know that 3.33 into x divided by 2 EI. Get out the values which are not used in this limit. Now put the limit 0 to 2 because the length of the beam is 0 to 2. Now 0 to 2 into x square dx. We know that the rule simplify it as a mathematical formula. We can get x square to x cube divided by the values on the upper side of the x. X cube divided by 3 limit 0 to 2. Put the values of 0 and 2 to get the original value. Now 5.4544 divided by EI in bracket x put first 0, 0 cube divided by 3 plus 3 cube divided by 3 and we can get the value 0.97 kilonewton into meter. For rest of the portion of the beam, similar process is done. Strain energy for BC, its limit is 0 to 1, 6.67 into x converted into x square divided by 2ei, x square to x cube divided by 3, put the values of 1 into it, we can get 0.049 kilonewton into meter. Merge the value, we can get the final answer 0.146 kilonewton into meter. Another example, a simply supported beam AB of span 5 meters carrying a uniformly distributed load of 5 kilonewton per meter over its entire span. Determine the strain energy stored due to bending in beam. Take E is equal to 200 and I is equal to 200. Okay, we can have A, B 5 kilonewton per meter uniformly distributed load over 5 meter length. Now VA is equal to VB. Uh, we learn from mechanics of solid when the beam is symmetry, no need to calculate as per VB into length or is equal to loading, but it is a reaction value is total load divided by 2. VA is equal to VB is equal to total load 5 into 5 divided by 2 is equal to 12.5 kilonewton each side. Now, as we know, mx is equal to 12.5 x minus 5x square divided by 2, because here some x point we can find the strain energy. That's why the value of this 12.5 into x and the another value 5 into x by 2, w into L by 2, which are the values of calculating bend moment. Okay, now we can use our term u is equal to limit 0 to L m square upon 2 ei into dx, but we know that the mx main part of the example is to find values of mx from the study of mechanics of solid. Now limit 0 to 5, 12.5x minus 2.5x square whole square divided by 2 ei. Get the terms out 2 ei from this 12.5 x square minus 2 into 12.5 x into 2.5 x square plus 2.5 x square whole square. The value are a square a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square minus b square whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The mathematical rule we already studied in our schooling. Now clear the term. We can get 156.25 x cube divided by 3 minus 62.5 into x raised to 4 divided by 4 plus 6.25 into x raised to 5 divided by 5. Limit 0 to 5, put the value of 0 and 5 in each side. We can get 0.813 kilonewton into meter, which is our strain energy stored in this beam. The another example, but we are not going to solve some example because some example are also solved by you. So you can start doing solving the example, and let us inform in case of any query or difficulty. That's we can close our chapter here. In next lecture we are going to start a new chapter